Age gap explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English term, age gap. This phrase can pop up in daily conversations, movies, news, and more. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it. An age gap refers to the difference in age between two people. It's often discussed in the context of relationships, friendships, or any situation where the age difference might be noteworthy or significant. For example, if a couple has one person aged 20 and the other aged 30, they have a 10-year age gap. In various cultures and contexts, age gaps can be a topic of discussion or even concern. Here's why. 1. Cultural norms. Some societies might have norms about what's considered an acceptable age difference in relationships. 2. Life stages. People in different age groups might be at different life stages, which can impact relationships, interests, and priorities. 3. Common interests. The greater the age gap, the more likely it is that individuals might not share common cultural or generational experiences. To help you better understand, here are some sample sentences. 1. There's a 15-year age gap between the two siblings. 2. They have a strong relationship despite the age gap. 3. The movie is about a couple navigating the challenges of a significant age gap. Understanding synonyms can be helpful. Some similar phrases to age gap are age difference, years apart, generational gap, though this one can also imply cultural or societal differences, not just age. Understanding the term age gap can help you navigate English conversations more confidently, especially when discussing relationships or differences between individuals. Remember, language is a reflection of society and culture, and terms like these give us insights into how people think and communicate. We hope this video has been enlightening. See you in the next one.